Hi, so welcome back to our channel and we are in IKEA as you can see. So without wasting time, let's explore.
This mat, how much is it for? $9.99. Look, it's so soft.
And then they have this one section. Okay, so you can see it's called the Aziz, which is just near the building. And this has all the sale articles. So this chair originally is for 22,990 and on sale it's for 12,990. Look. So in this Aziz they have this kind of stuff. You can also have a look at like this chair. It was for 7,950 and it is for 750. They have sofas and so the articles in Aziz are generally the returned articles or then the showroom pieces or some maybe which have got dust or the packaging has broken or something like that. But the pieces are in absolute good condition. They're not broken or anything of that sort. The only thing is anything that is bought from Aziz can only be returned in 1 week, not more than that. So Aziz has almost everything that is present in the store. That can be beds, beddings, mattresses, sofa, chairs, then bed sheets, pillow covers, then containers, then crockery, curtains, napkins, towels, cupboards, TV units, drawers, and various everything basically that is there in IKEA. If it has any issue like maybe dust or anything, as I mentioned before, they keep it in the Aziz section and it is sold on discount.
They have beds also.
So I have also bought a lot of things from Aziz and they're all good. I mean, they're new and then they are in perfect shape. There's nothing wrong with them. So guys, this is just a shopping tip from me. If you ever have to buy something from IKEA and you have it listed or you just want to go and check out and maybe buy something, first go and have a look in the Aziz section. Maybe whatever you've come to buy, you get it in the Aziz section at a much cheaper rate than what you'll buy it in the IKEA other part where everything is on fresh price. So first go to the Aziz section, check out everything, see the articles and then go to the rest of the store. तो यार आज यहाँ पे काफी कम चीजें हैं वरना ये बेडशीट्स और टॉवल्स वाला सेक्शन भरा रहता है. There's so much variety. Even artifacts और क्रॉकरी वाला सेक्शन आज काफी एम्प्टी है. इतनी वैरायटी नहीं है. नहीं तो जब मैंने लिया है ना इतने ऑप्शंस थे कि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था सारी ले लूं क्योंकि प्राइसेस बहुत लो थे. सो गाइज हो गया हमारा एज ए सेक्शन. अब चलते हैं बाकी के स्टोर में और देखते हैं और क्या क्या है और आपको भी दिखाते हैं. सब कुछ ही है यार इनके पास. These are the shoe racks that we have. Now that's nice. This is outdoor furniture which can be kept in your balcony or if you have a nice garden or any space outside your house. And it's so good. Now here we can see some lanterns. तो हम ना शायद वो artifacts वाली area में आ गए हैं और यहाँ पे भी काफी variety रहती है. आप देखना आगे आगे. They have some really wonderful stuff. You know what I like most about their stuff is that it's very aesthetic, very graceful, very English and the colors are soft and sober. The quality is really good and the pricing on top of that is really good. So some of their stuff is really aesthetic and they also have some Pinteresty stuff, guys. So finally we've come to my favorite section which is all about artificial flowers and flower vase and artificial plants. I mean they have such beautiful flowers. ऐसा लगता है रियल है. मुझे तो मतलब कई flowers उनमें से ऐसे हैं जो बिल्कुल ही रियल लगते हैं. Very real colors, very beautiful, soothing to the eyes and I'm just so fond of flowers but I don't like to really pick the real flowers. So I always feel rather than picking real flowers, we can always have these good quality artificial flowers. They really add up to color and life in your house. Yes, we do get artificial flowers and plants cheaper than this in stores like Super 99 or probably the local market. But guys, those are made of really poor plastic. Their colors are artificially bright. They look very unreal and ugly actually. So all those who really want to beautify your house and make it look graceful, these are the kind of flowers you should put in. Not those local kind ones. Maybe they are cheaper, but overall they'll make the house look cheap. They have a really huge section for artificial flowers and plants. As you can see, they have so much variety and all of it is too good. I mean, who would say these are fake, you know? They look so real, है ना? Especially the lilies, these sunflowers and then there are some roses. कितने ही real लग रहे हैं. मुझे इतना confusing हो जाता है ना कौन सा लूं, but यार अगर मेरे पास एक mansion होता तो मैं सारी variety ले लेती और घर को सुंदर कर देती, फूलों से भर देती. So guys, मुझे ऐसा लगता है मुझे इस flowers के section से निकलना चाहिए और आपको बाकी का स्टोर दिखाना चाहिए, because ये वाला सेक्शन ना कभी खत्म नहीं होगा. I really love this and it's just for $2.99. I mean, it's so useful. और $2.99 is hardly a price for this. This one's also nice, yeah. I love the color and it's just for $1.49. It can be used as a serving dish as well. So they also have real plants. As you can see, there's mud in the pots. अरे यार ये plants वाला section तो खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा. अब anyways guys, these are all the artificial plants as in the green plants. And wow, this is also a brilliant section. कितने real लग रहे हैं. आप ceiling में भी देखो इन्होंने कितने अच्छे से लगाए हैं. They've given you ideas basically as how you can put them in the house or in your balconies or outside or anywhere. So these 3 cactus plants are for $149. मेरे पास है ये घर पे और ये बहुत रियल लगते हैं. आई मीन व्हेन दे आर एट होम, मतलब कोई गेस नहीं कर पाएगा जब तक वो उसे टच ना करे कि ये रियल नहीं है. सो यार हम में से बहुत हैं जिनके लिए प्लांट्स रखना मुश्किल होता है बिकॉज वी आर टू बिजी एंड उन्हें पानी देना, उनका ध्यान रखना हमारे लिए पॉसिबल नहीं होता. बट फिर भी हमें प्लांट्स अच्छे लगते हैं. गाइज दिस इज द बेस्ट प्लेस फॉर यू. आप यहाँ आके अपने लिए जितने मर्जी प्लांट्स लीजिए. अब यार इन्होंने इतनी ज्यादा वैरायटी रख ली है ना कि जो भी आएगा वो पहले तो कंफ्यूज ही होगा कि कौन सा ले कौन सा ना ले. इतनी वैरायटी यार प्लांट्स में. I love this यार and it's just for $99. So damn pretty. So now we are in the mirror section. इस section में आप देखेंगे बहुत सारे mirrors अलग अलग variety के, कई full size, कई wall mirrors, कई self adhesive mirrors. इतनी variety, just have a look. मैंने फिर भी सारी नहीं दिखाई, इससे कई ज्यादा है. And then price and quality दोनों best है. बहुत ही अच्छे प्राइसिंग है गाइस. एक बार जरूर देखना अगर आपको मिरर चाहिए हो. यहाँ से आपको ना एक के बजाय 10 लेने का मन करेगा. अच्छा, दे ऑल्सो हैव दो स्टैंड मिरर्स जो आजकल वो फुल साइज मिरर्स होते हैं ना स्टैंड के साथ, विच ऑल दीज फैशन इन्फ्लुएंसर्स एंड ऑल हैव. एंड वो भी है इनके पास और प्राइसेस भी काफी डिसेंट है और एस्थेटिक भी हैं. ये ऐसे वाले ना सेल्फ एडहेसिव मिरर्स होते हैं. सो यू जस्ट कैन डू इट बाय योरसेल्फ. आपने पीछे से इनका स्टिकर निकालना होता है एंड देन यू जस्ट हैव टू स्टिक द मिरर ऑन द वॉल एज पर योर चॉइस. आप डिजाइन भी अपनी मर्जी से बना सकते हो. एंड देन दे हैव दीज टेबल मिरर्स और हैंड हेल्ड मिरर्स विच आर आइडियल फॉर डूइंग मेकअप और वेयरिंग एक्सेसरीज और गेटिंग अ हेयर डू डन. ये तो एक मस्ट है फॉर एवरी गर्ल एंड दे हैव सो मच वैरायटी इन इट. तो यार मीशो वगैरह से ऑर्डर करने से अच्छा ना गाइस, आप लोग यहाँ से आके ले सकते हो. बहुत अच्छी वैरायटी और क्वालिटी कुछ ज्यादा ही अच्छी है. सो मेरे घर पे ना ये सेल्फ एडहेसिव मिरर्स हैं और मुझे ये कुछ ज्यादा ही पसंद है. So in this section there's a wide variety of frames. There are empty frames and then there are frames with paintings. अलग अलग variety है frames की, colors अलग हैं. They have wooden finish, then they have the white finish. बहुत variety है और starting price मेरा ख्याल 49 रुपीस है जो कि बहुत सस्ता है. IKEA ने ना हमारी कंट्री में कारपेंटर्स का काम कम कर दिया है. अब गए वो दिन जब आप घर में कारपेंटर बुला के सारे काम करवाते थे फर्निशिंग्स के और दिन ही लग जाते थे कितने सारे वो कंप्लीट करने में और घर भी मेस रहता था. अब तो आसान है यार. IKEA जाओ, जो भी फर्नीचर या फर्निशिंग्स या डेकोरेशन या कुछ भी ऐसा चाहिए आप जाके लो और आधी चीजें तो आप खुद ही कर सकते हो. Santa Claus mats, cute. Rainbow one is the cutest. So guys, अब हम हैं कार्पेट सेक्शन में और जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं इनके पास बहुत वैरायटी है कार्पेट्स में और प्राइसेस बहुत ही रीजनेबल हैं. So about 3 years back ना मैंने एक कार्पेट लिया था चंडीगढ़ से. ऐसा सिमिलर वाला यहाँ पर भी है. इनफैक्ट यहाँ वाला बेटर क्वालिटी का है, लेकिन मैंने वैसा वाला चंडीगढ़ से लिया था 5000 रुपीज का, सेम साइज. यहाँ पर बेटर क्वालिटी का, बेटर कलर्स का है 2990 का गाइस. सो मच ऑफ अ डिफरेंस एंड ब्रांडेड एंड ऑफ बेटर क्वालिटी. तो ये यही मैं कहना चाह रही हूँ कि IKEA ने ना लोकल मार्केट को डेफिनेटली गिराया है, बट देन दैट्स एक्चुअली गुड, you know, because they are selling sometimes very cheap things at very high prices. IKEA has good things at good prices. Now look at this fur rug. I mean, it's just for $7.99 and it's so useful. I bought a similar one, a little bigger than this, from Chandigarh, from the local market at 1100 rupees, and the quality was not as good as this. This is like really good, and it's ideal for people who want to take photography and sell their products, and they're doing photography at home, or you know, just for an aesthetic corner or anything like that. So ये है lighting वाला section, और इनके पास बहुत सारी lights है अलग अलग varieties की. They have lamp shades, they have ceiling lights, they have the normal bulbs of different shades जैसे कि warm tone, white light. Then they have tubes, then they have lights for the dressing table. मतलब इतनी variety है. Yeah, they also have kids lights and ऐसे ऐसे कुछ नाम है जो मुझे पता नहीं है. So yeah, the variety is really huge and they have beautiful lights. So again, pricing according to quality is really good. I've seen in the local markets, whether be it Chandigarh or be it Mumbai, some of these lights are of triple the prices in the local markets. And then on top of that, if you're buying things from outside, you have to run around. कभी किसी store जाओ, कोई एक store किसी location पे होगा, दूसरा किसी और पे. You just keep running around, that too in the sun, in the heat, and stuck in the traffic for so long. So ideally, when there's a store like IKEA, which has everything under one roof, your headache becomes much lesser because you just have to know what you have to buy. You have a variety of choices and just buy in a comfortable atmosphere, no heat. You have the comfort of AC and everything. There's food, water, everything available. So I just love their concept, and yeah. I really love the variety of lampshades they have here. You can see the designs are so beautiful, and a person like me would just get puzzled and confused कि यार कौन सा लूँ और कौन सा छोड़ दूँ. I would just want to buy all. So yeah, and yes, I have bought a few lights from here. Now not too many, but yes, my mom has her own house here and she's done it up mostly from IKEA. Her lights are 90% from IKEA and they really look beautiful. They make the house look all the more richer, elegant, classy, and also aesthetic. And also they have really good light. It does not hurt the eyes so much. So definitely I would say it's the best place for lights. So if you have your own cafe, restaurant, a store, or maybe a boutique or anything for that matter, you'll get lights for that as well over here. So come and have a look for sure. So Zio's back from the play area and he's done some drawings, as you can see. So this is something good, you know. Kids get bored otherwise in such places, or they are very fidgety and you know you're afraid of something falling and breaking. So this is the ideal thing that they've had a play area over here where kids can spend their time. They also enjoy, and shoppers can also shop peacefully without being worried about kids. Now we are at the kitchenware area and you can see a lot of stuff over here. You can go on seeing in my video and you'll get an idea that they have so much variety, be it crockery or be it, you know, all the tools, the kitchen tools, vessels or whatever you may say. Just keep having a look. So guys, I'm only recommending IKEA products after having used them for really long and having loved them. I really thought that my video would help all of y'all too. Now this grater and cutter of theirs, these are so sharp that you won't need to struggle at all. I mean, they really do their work so smoothly. The kitchenware area is really huge. Then they have another section for the cutlery, crockery and things like that. So this section is really huge. I'm not going into depth of it, but everything is good, trust me. I'd got a non-stick pan from here and trust me, I've never used such a good non-stick pan before. I've bought all the branded ones also, but nothing as this one. And the price was, I guess, $7.99 or something like that when I bought it. And yeah, it's really good.
ड्राइंग्स के लिए तो मेरी बाकी की ड्राइंग्स आप घर लेके दे देना.
So the products that I've highlighted, I've tried to add in their tags, the price tags or the labels as well. But in case you want any department in detail, you can DM me and I'll get you a video of a detailed department with all the prices and the products and everything. So just to make it clear, this is no paid promotion. I'm absolutely recommending or promoting their products with genuinity. There's no promotion that I'm doing. I'm genuinely loving their products and I really think that everybody should use them, and that's the only reason I'm making a video. Other than that, there's nothing like I'm being paid for it or I'm getting a discount from them or any kind of favor from them. Nothing of that kind. This is no promotional video at all. It's my genuine video just to share my knowledge so that I can help the others who are also looking for similar things. So all those who are watching my video can totally rely on my recommendations because there's no falseness. It's 200% genuine. This is the furnishings area, so you can see there's a wide variety of cushion covers, pillows, curtains, bed sheets. So much variety. Just come here and have a look. Colors, all kinds of colors, brightly colored pastel shades, block colors, everything possible is there. Then they also have sunblock curtains, sheer curtains, bathroom curtains, the normal curtains, everything, practically everything. Then a variety of pillows. The price range is very decent and the pillows are really soft. And a wide variety of bed sheets for kids, for adults, all kind of sizes, prints, plains, everything. And then blanket covers, blankets. Then all the towel category, like full towels, kids towels, hand towels, whatever is there in the towel category in all different kinds of colors. I really love the shades. Now this pink towel is a full towel size and it's only for $3.99. I think that's really good. Some printed and striped ones are there as well. So now again is all the utility stuff. They have so much. I mean, everything is there that you actually need and you're looking for here and there. Especially you're scrolling down Amazon to find all these things and then you get them all under one store. Yes, I've repeated this several times, but it's really a very good thing that you're getting everything under one roof. So you don't have to actually struggle around. Now these are all different size plastic containers. You have the container and then a lid separately. So all kinds of sizes are there. The plastic is sturdy, ideal for storing your stuff at home.
Then a baby can have bath in this also, you know. Haha.
So they have plastic hangers, wooden hangers, all at very decent prices. I've seen on Amazon and various other local stores, the prices are really high. And then I also am using them, so they are very sturdy as well. Not just some lightweight, which if you hang something heavy and then they get bent and all that. So these are some self-adhesive hooks. They have so many shapes in them. And again, these are also good. I've used them in my house. They do last for long until and unless you're hanging something really heavy on them. Then obviously they are gonna fall off because they're just stuck. So मेरी तो होगी अब बस चल के यार. मैंने 2-3 rounds लगाए हैं. I went to drop Zian at the play area, then to pick him up, and then I was there like in every department showing you all around. So बस यार अब tired. My legs are absolutely tired. But I really hope you enjoyed my video and it was useful to you guys. I hope you all also go and shop here and are absolutely thrilled with my recommendations. If you guys want a detailed video regarding the products, their pricing or any particular department or anything particularly, do let me know. I'll surely make one for you all. अब हम जा रहे हैं वापस. मैंने थोड़ा सा कुछ बिल कराना है. आप देख सकते हैं कितनी लंबी क्यू है. मेरा मन करा मैं सारा सामान छोड़ दूं क्योंकि यार इतनी लंबी क्यू में खड़े होने का मेरा मन नहीं है. बट नहीं, मुझे लेना ही है. सो आई जस्ट बाय माई स्टफ. यू कैन हैव अ लुक. हम दिन में आए थे और अब रात होगी. IKEA में तो यार ऐसा ही होता है. बट देन यू गेट एवरीथिंग अंडर वन रूफ एंड दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग. सो गाइज, स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर मोर सच वीडियोज. बाय बाय. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट.